Manila Mayor Isko Moreno has tested positive for COVID-19. His office announced it on August 15. Moreno was brought to the Santa Ana Hospital. According to his doctor, the mayor's condition is stable. He has no fever and his chest CT scan result is normal. Despite his condition, Moreno assured his constituents that the local government will continue its operations and the fight against COVID-19 will not stop. Moreno is not the only city official confined at Santa Ana Hospital. Manila Vice Mayor Honey Lacuna had been admitted to the hospital after testing positive for the virus on August 8.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.